Have you ever watched a long YouTube video that has a lot of good info, but you don't have time to watch everything, can't remember all the details, or can't find anything because the timestamps are disconnected? I'm here to show you how to summarize any long YouTube video using AI. Let's get started. If you're new to my channel, I have a website at kevinwoodrobotics.com where I have a bunch of resources on robotics and computer vision. So check it out and subscribe to learn more. So the first thing you might think of doing is go to ChatGPT and then paste the link of the YouTube video and then ask it to summarize this YouTube video. But the problem is when you do that, sometimes it doesn't give a very good response or it's very brief. So it's not exactly the method that you're looking for. So here, the way to do it is what you want to do is go to the video and find the transcript. You want to click on show transcript. This will give you the transcript, but what you notice is that by default, the transcript will have timestamps. These timestamps will kind of mess up ChatGPT's response. So what you want to do is click on these three dots up here, and then you want to click on toggle timestamps, and this will remove all the timestamps for you. So that way, when you copy and paste this, it'll be easier to manage. But the thing is, you can't copy and paste all of this text into ChatGPT. It's going to be too long and it's not going to be able to process it. So what you want to do instead is copy it into a .txt file. Go ahead and save that file. Then what you want to do is upload the file here by attaching files. Once you do that, you could ask it again to summarize, and it'll do a much better job summarizing a long 2-hour plus video for you. So I recently tried it out on this video right here, and I listened to the entire video and tried it with ChatGPT, and I would say overall the summary that ChatGPT gave was actually pretty good. So if you want to check it out, go ahead and watch this video and compare it yourself. So if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.